All right, so y'all got me. I have always wanted a really, I don't know where I'm gonna put it, good tennis bracelet, okay? So I ordered this tennis bracelet. I did see it on TikTok, but I ordered it off of Amazon. Very rarely do I order off the TikTok shop if I can find it on Amazon. That's just me for security. I don't know. I don't really trust the TikTok shop too much. But it came from Amazon, and I like Amazon too because I know exactly when it's coming, okay? You guys kept showing this heart tennis bracelet. So I ordered it. Now, one day I'm going to get me a real one, okay? Somebody going to buy me a real one, y'all. I'm manifesting that. But this is so cute with the hearts. Now, it's supposed to be waterproof and all that proof. And a lot of y'all have said y'all have showered with it. Y'all have had it. It hasn't changed. It hasn't done anything. We're going to find out. It wasn't that much. So if it turns, I guess if I get a good 6 months or so out of it, I'll be okay. I normally spray my jewelry if it's not real. Now, all of this is real, but I'm going to put it with this. I'm not going to put it with this stack because these are like my bangle stacks. I'm going to put it with this stack. Hopefully you can see it. It's a little small, but I'm going to put it with this stack. I'm not going to spray it because I really want to see how it holds up. Not going to spray it. I should be able to get it on with my nails because they give me, yeah, that type of clasp is easy. Let's see. For me, I don't need any help. Normally, my daughters help me get my jewelry on. I got it. Okay. So, we're going to button it. Now I got to get it to snap. I should have put it towards the back. Well, on this arm, it's going to go towards the back anyways. Okay, there it is. Snapped, clipped, and on. It is really, really beautiful in person. Like, it's blingy, diamondy, really, really beautiful in person. It came in this green box. This is the company name on TikTok and on Amazon. Like I said, they tell you not to get it wet or anything. It says everyday jewelry crafted for you. I know I'm going to get it wet and stuff because I don't take any of this off except to clean it. And look, she already got lost. She's already lost in the sauce. There she is. I don't think about it when I get home taking off my jewelry. I may take it off a couple of times, but there may be a couple of times where I forget. So we're going to see how this works. But I'm super excited. It's really, really pretty. We're going to see if y'all got me. Because y'all know y'all be hyping stuff up. Y'all be hyping stuff up that don't need to be hyped up. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all be hyping stuff up. But she's going to get lost in the sauce a couple of times. But I can say first impression, 10 out of 10. I love it. I love the bling. I love how it looks. I love when gold is the same gold as my real gold. When I buy, like, sometimes you buy certain pieces and the gold is off. Y'all know it's more rustic or more too yellow, or too pale. This gold is the same gold as my real gold. So she's going to play very well. She's going to play very well for a little while. Okay. So we'll see how long it lasts. Maybe I'll come back in a couple of months and tell y'all the truth.